Hey everyone, welcome back to the ShipJeannie YouTube channel. My name is Joshua Felix, CEO of ShipJeannie. Thank you for joining me today for this tutorial on how to use the ShipJeannie client dashboard. Finally, it's come the time to use the client dashboard, and we really hope that everyone enjoys all the interactive features, all the different little intricacies that we've created for you guys to make your shipment to Amazon much easier, simpler, and more interactive, more fun, right? So it's very simple, very clear, and today I'll be going ahead and show you a few things that you need to know about the client dashboard. I'm not going to show you everything because there's so many different little parts and details that you can just mess around with, and just fun little stats and things to know about that helps you along your journey with ShipJeannie. But maybe in future videos I'll go ahead and show you a deeper dive of all of that. Today I'm just going to do an overview, general overview of what the ShipJeannie client dashboard has to offer. So once you're here at the ShipJeannie website, obviously if you don't have an account, you're going to go ahead and register. It's going to ask you for a name, email, and password, right? So the name should be the store name, that your Amazon store name, and it also should be the recipient name that you have created when you're shipping a product to ShipJeannie Fulfillment Center here in Dallas. So whatever you're expecting to receive in ShipJeannie, the name, it should match this account as well, the account name. That makes it easier for our ShipJeannie employees, the receiving team, to understand which product goes to your account. It makes our life easier, your life easier, because you get much quicker response times from that email. Once we figure out, because we can easily match the names from the package to your account, so hopefully that makes sense. Just match the name to your store, your Amazon store, as well as your recipient name when you're shipping something to ShipJeannie. So hopefully that makes sense. Of course, I already have an account, so I'm not going to register one today. I'm going to go ahead and just log in. Once you log in, it will say welcome to ShipJeannie. At the top left, you'll see these three dashes. Go ahead and click that. You'll see a plethora of options here for you to go through, mess around with, take a look at. For example, the search product, the package queries, if you have any queries, search package, if you want to search your package with a tracking number. See if we have it here ready for you to claim. If not, there's a package list that will show that you will see all your packages, how we receive them, when we receive them. So basically you'll get something like this. You'll see whatever the tracking is. This is a Walmart delivery by store, so of course this is the order number, not a tracking number, right? But you'll get a picture of this. As long as with that, you'll see a few different products here, so we'll show you exactly what we received. So you'll take a look at that UPC as well, just for your information, so you can just go ahead and scroll those pictures on by, and also, yeah, you'll see that. So once we have allocated to your account, you'll see that in your package list for each package we receive, as well as once that's done, you'll see it in your active inventory. Your active inventory is in your product section. So here in your product section, that's kind of where you see your active inventory. Of course, this is just a demo account, so I'm just going to go ahead and make just a simple example for you. So of course this will be your title. This will show your name because this is just a test account. It'll have a few little information here, like the weight and dimensions and stuff like that. Right here, this 5 is the received quantity total, so that's your active quantity. Of course, once we have shipped it, that 5 will go from here to the other side. It will go to shipped 5. This is just the active inventory that you currently have. So to create a box, initially you'll see this. You will not be able to add a box yet. So you have your total products. You can add a product, but you don't need to. We'll do that for you, of course. So, but to create a box, you will not be able to add it yet until you click this square next to your item. Most of your items will have pictures. If they have a simple upload from Google, most of them will get uploaded as you go on through your journey. You'll see it. For example, this one's simple, has a nice picture next to it. All of them will eventually have pictures. So I'm going to go ahead and ship this Pioneer Woman Mandarin cooker for the example today. So in order to ship it, I have to hover over this. You see add in box. I'm going to go ahead and click that. So now once that I've clicked it, the add box feature is now available for me to go ahead and click. So I will add box. So here we go. Now it takes you to this nice screen where it shows you all the information that you need to fill out and what you're planning to ship to Amazon, right? So this quantity will show your entire quantity that you have available at the moment. Of course, you can change that if I want to just ship 1 for an FBM, if I want to ship 2 for an FBM, or FBA, 3, 4, whatever quantity you want. Of course, you can't go higher than that, higher than 5, because you can't go 6, you can't do 7, you can't do 8. You can only do your highest quantity. We will not allow you to ship more than what your quantity is actively. So I'm going to go ahead for the demo. I'm going to go ahead and do the whole 5 quantity, right? So what I like to do is copy and paste the product into the description, makes it easier for everyone. And now it's asking for the box type. Is it going to be FBA or FBM? This, for the demo's sake, it's going to be FBM. Of remarks, I don't plan on having any remarks, but if you have any specific instructions, like I want them to be pack of 3, then we'll see that, and we'll see your instructions and follow your instructions. If you want pack of 2, if you want pack of 5, pack of 6, or if you want, any information that you want for the ShipGeannie fulfillment team to see on how you exactly want to pack your order, you basically just put in the remarks. Of course, I don't want to make this order a pack of 2. They're all going to just be packs of 1, so I'm going to leave it blank. So I just want all 5 to be packed in 1 box, and that's it. So here we go. So I have my description. It matches my title. We're good to go. I have the box type. It's going to be FBA. I don't want any remarks. My name, of course, is going to be Josh. I want to ship all 5 quantities. Okay, so here, now I'm going to go ahead and create the box. You click create box, wait for it to load, and then it will automatically create that box for you. That's successful. Now you go to your box screen. Here it is. Here's your receipt ID, just for your own information. Your client, of course, partial is in warehouse. These 2 informations we'll go into in a deeper level in a future video. So basically, this is standard. Is partial no? Is warehouse yes? That's just going to be a standard if you don't change anything. Here's going to be a description that you gave us. The Pioneer Woman Mandarin Digital Slow Cooker. It's going to be an FBM, and you can also see a little detailed view here in the view section. Your receipt, your description, your receipt type, so it's going to be an FBA, and the most important part is your status, right? Okay, so here is your status for your order. Right now, it's in the add dimension phase, meaning you have created the box and it has been sent over to the ShipGeannie fulfillment team. Now, here at ShipGeannie, we'll see your order, and then we'll go ahead and pull and pack your order. Once we have successfully finished that, we will update you with the weight and dimensions via the portal same day. So once you create the box, give the crew some time. The status will eventually change. You'll get an email when your status changes, right? So here is more information: your box product details, your receipt, your product ID for your product, your title, and the total quantity you're shipping in this box, right? Okay, good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the full process. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my admin side. You'll also see your status here is add dimensions. So I'm going to go ahead to the admin side and update those dimensions right here for you. I'm going to just go ahead and put some random information here. Does not matter to you. Okay, so that's being updated. Once that's updated, you'll get an email saying, hey, we have given you the dimensions. Now we're waiting for you to have a label. So those have updated on my side. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh here. And then boom. Now 1647, it's asking you for a waiting label. So if you view, your status has changed to a waiting label. So we are ready for you to update your labels. Your dimensions are over here to the right. So this is your dimensions. The dimensions are in terms of ounces, so don't forget that. So when it's 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 1,000. I just entered a random number, to be honest, but for this sake, it's going to be 1,234 ounces. You have to change it to pounds yourself. We just use ounces as a standard here at ShipGeannie. So once you change that to ounces, you have your information. Your box dimension is going to be 12 by 10 by 4. So you have your box dimensions, you have your weight. Once you change to pounds, you upload it on Amazon. And once you have your Amazon label, you'll have your FBA and your FNSQ. You're ready to set label. Okay, so here it's going to ask you for your FBA label only. Please only do a JPEG or a PDF format. So I'm going to go ahead and choose file. And for this sake, I have a demo PDF. Of course, it will be the FBA and shipping label that you got from Amazon, but for this sake, it's going to be a PDF. demo PDF. So I'm going to update that. So label is updated. You're good to go. Now your next label, set label, it's going to ask you just for your FNSKU number and letters. So it has the title generated, it has the quantity. All I need is your actual FNSKU value. So I'm going to go to my files just to show you real quickly kind of how to do that just for a sec. I'm just going to download this real quick. So labels. Okay. So these are the test labels I have for this. Of course, this is what you're going to get from Amazon. This is what it should look like. You don't have to do anything else but just copy and paste this value right here. That's all you have to do is copy and paste this value. I'm going to end this, don't need that, and I don't need this. I'm going to enter it here. So that's all we need from you. We have the title, we have the quantity, all we need is your FNSKU value. I'm going to go ahead and update. Top right, this is kind of covering it, but it says product FNSKU is updated. Now, you'll see that once you refresh, it's going to go from awaiting label to print label. So that means this print label means we are ready to print your labels and we are good to go. So from there, you will see that we have received all of your information, and from there it's on to us to go ahead and print your FNSKUs and print your shipping label, and then we will be able to mark it as shipped. So that will be that in terms of creating a box and all your status. Once we have printed your label, once we have labeled everything with the FNSKU, we'll mark this as shipped. Your status will change to shipped. You will also get an email that your status is shipped. So everything is also emailed, so you'll get an email whenever we have your dimensions. You'll get an email whenever we have shipped your products. So that way you're just always in the know of what your products are doing, what's the active kind of status your shipment is in. So that way you're never left guessing, you never have to wonder. And yeah, so hopefully that was informative. Of course, when it says shipped here, that means we've also updated your active quantity on your product screen here, and the product screen is updated. So that way, so you always know your active inventory after every order. It makes it easy, quick and easy for you to know, and it's very clear. So I hope this video was informative. I hope that I made sense, and if you didn't get any parts of the video, go ahead and give me a message. I'm more than happy to help anyone that is confused still. We will be shooting more videos about all these different sections here, just for everyone to understand what all aspects of the client dashboard has to offer. So for that, this is going to be the video for today, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it helped, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Hope everyone stays safe and enjoy selling, guys. Have a good one. Bye.